How to delete all your Facebook stories on Facebook. Facebook doesn't offer a delete all option, so you will have to delete them one by one. Here's how. Open the Facebook app on your device. At the top of your feed, find the Stories section and tap on your story to view your story. Look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner and tap it. Choose Delete Photo. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Delete again to finalize. If you have multiple stories, repeat this process for each one. Facebook stories automatically disappear after 24 hours, but they remain in your story archive unless turned off. To do this, tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then choose Settings. Navigate to the Audience and Visibility section. Tap the Stories option. Find the Save to Archive option and toggle it off. Once disabled, Facebook will no longer store your stories. So this is how to delete all your stories on Facebook.